Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best door bumpers is probably one of the most underrated car accessories out there. They're designed to protect your car doors from scratches, dents, and other damage that can occur in tight parking spaces or from accidental bumps. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of car door bumpers, exploring their different types, features, and how to choose the perfect set to safeguard your vehicle. Number 5. Garage Wall Protector 4-Pack. This car door protector strips are designed to protect your vehicle from bumps and scratches. It's made to guard your car's doors, bumpers, and bodywork effectively. The protector strips are resistant to fire and water. They are also resistant to abrasion and oil, ensuring long-lasting protection for your car. With a thickness of 1.18 inches, this product offers superior protection compared to others. It has a service life of up to 5 years, providing full protection against moderate impacts. Made of high-quality, eco-friendly EVA foam, this product is durable and easy to clean. It features strong adhesive backing for easy installation on various surfaces. Installation is simple, just peel off the backing and stick it on the wall. The 4-pack is ideal for both sides of your car. It's also suitable for DIY customization. This anti-scratch strip is perfect for parking spaces, warehouses, and more. It can be removed without damaging the protector or leaving marks on the wall. What we like. This bumper guard boasts a thick EVA foam construction, providing superior impact absorption. Its resistance to water and fire ensures long-lasting protection. If you're looking for maximum protection against bumps and scratches in your garage, this is the perfect choice. It's easy to install and will keep your car safe. What people say. They are made of high-quality materials that feel durable and sturdy, and I can tell that they will last for years to come. Since I installed them, I no longer worry about my car doors accidentally hitting the garage wall or the door. The guards provide ample protection, ensuring that my garage walls and doors are completely protected. Have used this wall protector foam twice, the first time 8 years ago, and put on a covered parking pole to prevent door bangs. I now have it in my garage to prevent door dings and bangs, and it does great. More impressive is that after 8 years, the projector foam is still attached to the carport pole. 8 years of hot summers, cold winters, and all. Amazing. Number 4. MYFAMIREA Car Door Edge Guard Protector Strip. This car door anti-collision strip is made of high-quality PVC. It offers strong adhesion, ensuring it stays in place. The material is designed to provide lasting protection for your car. The strip firmly fits and is not easy to degum. It tears off without a trace and won't leave glue residue. This keeps your car door clean and protects the paint. You can cut the length according to your car door structure. This transparent strip is thick and tough. It's anti-scratch and wear resistant, even when touched by sharp objects. This invisible transparent protection tape is anti-stepping and anti-collision. It's sticky and firm, waterproof, and high-temperature resistant. It provides comprehensive protection. It is suitable for cars, SUVs, and other models. You can easily paste it on car doors, hoods, or the back trunk. The high transparency ensures it doesn't affect the vehicle's appearance while providing strong protection. What we like. This product offers a transparent design, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your car's aesthetics. It leaves no glue residue upon removal, preserving your car's paint. If you like a discreet yet effective solution for protecting your car doors, this is the ideal option. You can cut it to fit any shape. What people say. It went on easily with the adhesive backing and sticks firmly. Once installed, the doors close with a quieter, more solid feel. It also helps block out a little extra wind noise, which was a nice bonus. The material feels durable and flexible, exactly what I wanted to protect the edges from bumps and scratches. This is thicker, more heavy-duty, than the normal US product I use, but it is so far of a higher quality and a better door edge protector. It goes on very easy and can be, slightly, repositioned very easily at first. It is hardly noticeable outdoors on a sunny day, or any other time, so far. It blends in because it's clear, so you pretty much forget that it's there. It doesn't peel, unless you want to remove it, it has the ideal thickness, and the quality is great. Well worth the investment. Number 3. Garage Smith GWP04 Car Door Protectors, 4-pack. Introducing the Garage Smith GWP04 Car Door Protectors. This innovative product is designed to safeguard your vehicle and garage walls from damage. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Each strip is 1.2 inches thick, providing excellent impact absorption. It can withstand impacts up to 330 pounds, protecting your car doors from scratches and dents. This ensures your car stays in top condition. Made from high-density, odorless material, these protectors are environmentally friendly. The surface features a scratch-resistant diamond texture and is waterproof. You can be confident in its durability and safety. The protectors are cuttable and flexible, allowing for versatile use. You can apply them on 90-degree walls, curved surfaces, or even columns. It's designed to fit your specific needs. The adhesive structure is reinforced with fiberglass mesh for easy installation. It can be removed without tearing or leaving marks. This makes it a convenient and reliable choice. With your purchase, you'll receive 4 Garage Smith GWP04 car door protectors. You'll also get responsive customer service and technical support. It's a complete package for your peace of mind. What we like. This garage wall protector is made with eco-friendly materials and provides excellent impact absorption. Its cuttable and flexible design allows it to fit various surfaces. If you have a tight garage space or need to protect curved surfaces, this product is designed for you. It offers great protection. What people say. They are thick and dense and do a fantastic job of protecting paint and the body. Works great and keeps me from worrying about bumping my car door on the garage wall. Plenty thick and cushiony. Attached to wall of garage so car door wouldn't hit and works like a charm. Number 2. Tallew Silicone Car Bumper Guards, 6 pieces. These self-adhesive strips are designed to be waterproof, so you don't have to worry about them falling off when washing your car. They are made of soft but strong PVC material, resistant to both high and low temperatures, ensuring long-lasting protection. Made from a durable PVC material, it is resistant to yellowing and deformation. This material can withstand temperatures from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. The transparent design allows it to blend seamlessly with various items. The package includes 6 pieces in 2 different styles. You'll receive a variety of sizes to fit different needs. This ensures you have the right fit for your car doors, handles, and more. Each strip features a built-in shock-absorbing cushion. This design effectively reduces vibration and impact. It provides superior protection for your car doors and other vulnerable areas. These bumpers are easy to apply and suitable for various locations. You can use them on car doors, door handles, rear-view mirrors, and even cabinets. They can be repositioned and won't leave any sticky residue. What we like. This bumper guard features a waterproof design, making it suitable for all weather conditions. It's made of soft PVC material, ensuring it won't damage your car. If you need a versatile solution for multiple applications, from car doors to cabinets, this is the one. It's easy to use and effective. What people say. I installed them horizontally below the door handles and so far they are helping. These little bumpers worked great, and the cost was minimal. They protect quite effectively and the large width does not impede my handling the door. Number 1. Universal Anti-Collision Bumper Guard Protector. Introducing the Universal Anti-Collision Bumper Guard Protector. This versatile product is designed to safeguard your car doors, furniture, and walls from damage. It features a built-in shock cushion, providing excellent impact absorption. This ensures superior protection for your vehicle and home appliances. Made from high-quality PVC material, it resists yellowing and deformation. It's also waterproof and can withstand various weather conditions. The non-marking adhesive allows for repeated use on various surfaces. You can apply it to car doors, handles, mirrors, and even cabinets. Simply clean the surface, peel off the protective film, and apply. For best results, avoid washing the area for 24 hours after installation. The package includes 4 anti-collision strips, with 2 short and 2 long pieces. Get yours today and protect your investments. What we like. This bumper guard features an airbag cushion for superior shock absorption. The reusable adhesive allows for multiple applications. If you are looking for a product that is both effective and long-lasting, this is the perfect choice. It will not yellow over time and is easy to install. What people say. It's clear so it doesn't take away from my beautiful granite countertops. It provides a bumper so there's no damage to my counter or refrigerator. Use on the toilet tank for the lid of the toilet when it is opened, no noise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.